मोपा विमानतळ पूर्ण क्षमतेन चालीक लागल्या उपरांत गोंय भारतीय लॉजिस्टिक हब जातलें. तरणाट्यांक रोजगाराच्यो नव्यो संदी मेळटल्यो. मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंतान सांगलें.
रोजगाराचो विशय फुडें व्हरपाक गोवा चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स अँड इंडस्ट्रीन गोवा डेव्हलपर्स समीट घडोवन हाडलो. आयतारा मडगांवच्या रवींद्र भवनात ही विकासक परिशद जाली. गोंयांतली बेरोजगारी राष्ट्रीय सरासरी परस चड आसा. गोंयच्या तरणाट्यां भितर रोजगार मेळोवन दिवपी कुशळटाय वाडोवपाचेर सरकार चड भर दिता. मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगलें.
The son of the soil. 2 days ago, I had an opportunity to interact with the 30 freshers and have just joined them with the 27 interns who have completed 2 months internships. The best part of it is that 95% of them are Goan. The students I spoke are all excited to have the right kind of working atmosphere with the opportunity to make the huge difference of technological space. We hope to see the many such the MNCs setting a shop in Goa in years to come. With new Mopa International Airport coming and the road network connectivity is completed, the Goa will be one of the most sought after the logistic hub of India. There will be the new avenue opportunities for you people. In 22nd April, and we have launched the Swayampurna Goa 2.0 with a 16-point agenda. I'm happy to note that this summit is aligned to my goal of Swayampurna Goa and covers the following point. The skill development for the gainful employment, incorporation of the latest technology in IT, enhancing employment opportunities, the bridge gap between academia and industry. Goa has its own dynamics for excelling into the world of information technology. Your presence here in the large number itself is a sign of golden days for the IT in Goa. It shows your immense drive and passion to best in the field that has immense potential. We were aware of the underlying current amongst the software developers and the students to excel beyond the boundaries. However, we needed a platform for you all to understand that exact step to start your career into high-tech technologies such as the blockchain, artificial intelligence, the machine learning, and then cloud computing, and along with the recent technologies such as the Java and Net. Therefore, we organized this program with the Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industries to give you the exact idea of how approach your career in each of this line of technology. We want you to understand the opportunities that exist in this field, and we want Goa to lead in the field of information technology.
गोवा 365 खातीर कृष्णा नाईक.